Imagine combining the agility of a motorcycle with the comfort of a compact motorhome, and you get this fascinating three-wheeled camper. At first glance, it looks like something straight out of a futuristic concept, but it actually follows a growing trend of ultra-compact RVs designed for travelers who want freedom without the size and cost of a traditional motorhome. This unique camper proves that you don't need a massive vehicle to enjoy life on the road. The front section features a classic three-wheel layout with a single steering wheel in the front and two rear wheels supporting the camper body. This design keeps the vehicle compact while providing enough stability for highway cruising and city driving. Because of its narrow width, it can easily fit into parking spaces where larger RVs simply cannot go. That makes it an excellent option for solo travelers or couples who enjoy exploring small towns, mountain roads, and coastal routes. One of the first things you'll notice is the distinctive overcab sleeping compartment. Instead of wasting the space above the driver's cabin, the designers transformed it into a comfortable sleeping loft. This elevated bed maximizes the available interior room while giving travelers a cozy place to sleep. Large side windows allow natural light to enter during the day and provide ventilation during warm nights. The camper's exterior has a modern retro appearance. The blue and white paint combination gives it a timeless charm, while the rounded body improves aerodynamics compared to traditional box-shaped campers. Multiple windows are positioned around the cabin, making the interior feel brighter and more open despite its compact size. Mounted on the roof is a sturdy luggage rack that can be used to carry camping chairs, lightweight storage boxes, or even a small solar setup depending on the owner's needs. Many travelers also use roof racks for outdoor gear such as kayaks, folding bicycles, or portable tents. Another interesting feature is the compact trailer attached to the rear. Rather than increasing the size of the main camper, the additional trailer offers valuable storage space for camping equipment, cooking supplies, extra batteries, portable generators, or even sporting gear. This keeps the living area uncluttered while increasing overall carrying capacity. Stepping inside, every inch of space is carefully planned. During the daytime, the seating area functions as a comfortable lounge where travelers can relax, read, or enjoy meals. At night, many compact campers allow the seating to convert into an additional sleeping area, making it possible for more than two people to spend the night if necessary. A small kitchenette is typically included in campers of this size. It usually contains a compact sink with a freshwater supply, a portable or built-in stove for preparing meals, storage cabinets for utensils and groceries, and sometimes a small refrigerator to keep food and drinks fresh during extended trips. Storage is one of the biggest challenges in any tiny camper, but clever engineering makes the most of every available space. Cabinets above the windows, hidden compartments beneath the seats, and overhead shelves allow travelers to organize clothes, kitchen supplies, tools, and personal belongings efficiently. Many compact campers also include electrical systems powered by deep-cycle batteries. These batteries can run LED lighting, USB charging ports, ventilation fans, water pumps, and small appliances. Owners often upgrade the system with rooftop solar panels, allowing them to camp for several days without needing external electricity. Ventilation plays an important role in such a small living space. Roof vents and opening side windows help maintain airflow, reducing condensation while keeping the cabin comfortable throughout different weather conditions. Because the camper is much lighter than a full-size RV, fuel consumption is significantly lower. Smaller engines require less fuel, making long road trips far more affordable. Maintenance costs are generally lower as well, since there are fewer complex mechanical systems compared to large diesel motorhomes. Driving this type of camper is another major advantage. Unlike oversized recreational vehicles that require extra caution on narrow roads, this three-wheeler can easily navigate crowded streets, village roads, and tight campsites. Its smaller turning radius makes parking and maneuvering much easier for first-time RV owners. Safety remains important despite the compact dimensions. Most owners equip these campers with seat belts, improved suspension systems, upgraded braking components, LED lighting, rear-view cameras, smoke detectors, fire extinguishers, and carbon monoxide alarms to ensure safe travel and camping. This style of camper is especially appealing to digital nomads, weekend adventurers, photographers, retired couples, and anyone who enjoys minimalist living. Instead of paying for hotels every night, travelers can carry their bedroom, kitchen, and essential living space wherever they go. Although space is limited compared to larger Class C or Class B motorhomes, the smart layout allows users to enjoy surprising comfort. Every feature is designed with efficiency in mind, proving that thoughtful engineering can transform even the smallest vehicle into a practical mobile home. Whether you're planning scenic road trips, camping in national parks, exploring coastal highways, or simply enjoying weekend escapes, this tiny three-wheel camper demonstrates that adventure doesn't require a huge budget or an oversized RV. It offers mobility, simplicity, lower operating costs, and the freedom to travel almost anywhere, making it one of the most creative compact camping solutions for modern